Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this Dreadlocks filter on Instagram. So this is the filter. Swing your head and kind of really move like your dreadlocks. So to get this filter on Instagram, visit the creator profile. Iggy Slickel is the creator of this filter. You can follow him to unlock all his filter to your camera tray. He's having some awesome filter. So check in his filter gallery, and this is the filter Dreadlocks. Tap on it and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and tap on try to try the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.